friend Christopher here, and I'm sorry if I'm gonna laugh because I don't know what's wrong with us. Today we're doing a Lego building challenge, and it's really any theme, so we're taking 30 minutes and we're both just building whatever we can in 30 minutes, and may the best mock win, really. And you guys are judging. You are commenting down below who you think won. So definitely comment, even if you're not normally a commenter on this channel, comment down below the most votes for either me or him. Or me. Anyways, yeah, that is it. So we're going to jump straight into a time lapse.
Put them right here and put them right there. Me.
Anyways, we're gonna go straight into a time lapse because that's the rules. Hey, let's start the time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it has been 30 minutes and it is time for you to judge the mocks. First, I'm just going to show you mine and Josh will show you his. I made a Mario one, you can see.
I'm kind of going for like a winter wonderland.
Okay, so I'm just going to quickly say the rules for voting. So what you have to say for commenting to vote, all you have to say is, like, just comment your opinion on the video and say if you think I should do more of those. You don't have to do that, that's just a suggestion. And then just comment either I liked Chris's or I liked Josh's. Or you could say I like yours, I like Chris's, I like your cousin's, I like Josh's.
I like the Mario or I like the winter one.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and vote. Please vote because I actually need you to vote for this one. Okay, anyways, see you guys next time.